Galectoso Mark J. P. Caltech Howard D. Moro Mateo Frost D. Caltech Malaya Seeker Jones Hall. Caltech Howard D. Second players in men volleyball 2025 D. Sarania Greco S. Caltech Howard D. Suwana Reigns G. Caltech Howard D. And outstanding.
Buka na po. Gangi. Ibuka na po. Congrats. Congrats.
Papa Clarice Carol L. Howard D. Howard D. And Senior Vice Next Spirit Contest. Almerol Asia S. Caltech Howard D. Magas Boromay Dunjal 2. Caltech Howard D. And Red Cooperative Parent Award D for Listener Moroccan Student Magas and Lee Salvi Division Channel. Maxiel Disabery S. Caltech Award D. And Second Place Best Cheering Contest. Kamiete Kim Joy Rose P.
Congrats. Ito bang?
Katubi Antonin E. With honors. Ang sating kapo.
Sige, sige. Okay na na.
Let me begin with a story. There was
of school year 2025 to 2026, do hereby make this humble pledge to be ever conscious of our duties and obligations as plain citizens, to be morally upright, to lead a useful life by being honest and hardworking, to help improve home life, to participate actively and community activities, to promote the progress of our country, Philippines. And above all, to be loyal to our alma mater, the Galas Elementary School. So help us God.
Graduates of Galas Elementary School, school year 2025-2026. Congratulations and mabuhay everyone! And also that's all.
One, two, three. Congrats! Dahil may graduate. Ang lolo manidongyi guys. Ang graduation. Maria Santo. Congratulations! Congrats! Let's eat! Ang iyong kanding na ipadala. Congratulations! Dongi! Oh, congratulations! Tabang pa. Okay. Okay, kana.